Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel as always. So for today, as you can see by the title, I am going to attempt doing the glass skin trend that's everywhere. I am absolutely obsessed with it. Obviously I don't have great skin, and especially right now, like I don't ever break out on my cheeks. Normally it's like here and here. So I had a few breakouts along here the other day, one down here, and then I don't really know what's going on right here. There's like all these bumps. So my skin's a hot mess. So trying to get that perfect glass finish skin without putting a lot of makeup on is going to be a little difficult. So I don't really have a game plan. So let's go and let's just see what I can come up with. This glass skin trend, it seems more about skin prep rather than the actual makeup itself. I am going to apply just a little bit of makeup just because, again, like my skin is not perfect. And I've been seeing a lot of, especially on TikTok, these beautiful people that have perfect skin and then put like one layer of lotion on and their skin's perfect. And I'm like, oh, screw you guys. So I don't have skin like that. All right, so first things first, I'm going to use a toner. This one's by Tarte. It is the Tingle treatment, and it is an AHA, gosh, that's difficult to say. Anyways, an AHA helps, it's like an exfoliating toner. And so since this one is the Tingle toner, I use it very sparingly, and I only use it like maybe twice a week, just because it burns, and like I can kind of feel it burning a little bit. It's not like painful, it's very tingly. But if you do have sensitive skin, yeah, definitely stay away from that. All right, the second product that I'm going to use is the Badescu Cellufirm drops. And I like to just apply this on my under eyes, and then whatever's left over just onto my eyelids. This is just an anti-aging serum, whatever you want to call it. All right, next I'm using the Provence Beauty Hyaluronic Acid. Honestly, I bought this at TJ Maxx for like $4. I will say it's super runny, like it's literally like water. So what I like to do is just pour, oh my god, that was a lot in my hands, and just kind of press that into the skin. My skin is so beyond dry right now. Like, oh my god, it's been horrible. Plus, I've also been doing Retin-A treatments since my skin's been breaking out like crazy, but oh my god, my skin is like in pain. So, hydration, hydration, hydration. Okay, so while that is soaking in, I already put an eye serum on, but I want to go ahead and put an eye cream, just because the serums, they tend to penetrate deeper into the skin, where an eye cream will kind of just more hydrate it. So this is the Badescu Hyaluronic Eye Cream. Just taking a little bit, and then same thing, just tapping this on my skin, or my under eyes, and then a little bit on my eyelids. I will some mornings, not every morning. I probably should have done this today. I honestly just forgot until right now. Sometimes I will put the eye cream and my eye serum in the freezer for like 10 minutes, and oh, it makes your skin feel so refreshed. It helps with any puffiness, and it just feels so good. Okay, so now that we have some hydration on the skin, I'm gonna go in. This is actually a brand by my friend, which I'll link her Etsy account down below. Her stuff is honestly so freaking good. And I'm not just saying that to my friend. Obviously, I'm a hyper up, but either way, her stuff is really, really, really good. So this is the Youth Glow. It's all skincare that she has. It's all handmade by her, and she focuses more on anti-inflammatory, which will help with any inflammation, any swelling, redness, things like that. So I love this serum. Now, this stuff makes your skin so soft. You can tell it's handmade too, because it's very chunky. But honestly, I freaking love the chunkiness, because I feel like it just like, there's like little beads exploding on my face. It just feels so nice. Plus, like I said, my skin is so dry, you guys. Oh my god. So any hydration I can take, I happily will. So I'm not even like pressing this into the skin. I'm literally just using the tips of my fingers and just kind of just applying it on more of like the surface. Oh my god, I'm looking in the monitor and you can see how red my skin is getting, because it doesn't feel irritated. It's just because it was so dry and I didn't have any products on. Now my skin's like sucking up all the moisture. Oh my god. So just for another extra step of hydration, because I could stop here, but realistically my skin, it feels hydrated, but within, I'd say 5 minutes, it's just gonna feel dull again. So I want to really, really plump up my skin, and especially since we're doing the glass skin, I need it to be as hydrated as possible. So I know this is a night cream, but it's by Simple. It's the Skin Quench Sleeping Cream. And I really like using this during the day because it's super, super light. You can see it's kind of just like a serum. So I like it. And it absorbs into the skin relatively quickly, so it's not super heavy. But I do feel like it actually hydrates like deeper into the skin. And then so I like to use this and then a heavier moisturizer on top. So we're getting a little shine like the glass, but oh honey, our texture and our color does not look good. So let's fix that. I'm gonna let this soak in just for a few minutes. I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty lip gloss, or it's like a lip balm, just to hydrate my lips because my lips are hurting right now. Okay, so last but not least for moisturizer, because as you can see, after just a few minutes, my face is getting so red. Again, I'm not really in any pain. It's just my skin. It used to not be sensitive, and I don't know what's going on recently, but it's sensitive. I also blame my retin-A. So I'm taking the Tatcha, what's the name? It's the one that everybody uses. The Dewey Skin Cream. And applying this all over, mainly kind of focusing it more on like the center of my face because this cream is pretty thick. Oh my god, my skin looks so red in the monitor. Holy crap. I promise it'll be better. I promise. But you know what? This is going to be good for anybody who has redness in the skin and wants to achieve that fake, perfect Instagram look. I got you. I got you. I'll give you all my secrets once I actually figure them out. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on because this redness is pissing me off. So I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Do You Fresh Glow Face Primer. So this is tinted, so it's going to add just a tiny bit of coverage. So let me plump some out. I want to use this first just to see what we're working with. Oh, it's chunky. Probably should have shook it a little bit, but... Okay, so again, starting this kind of more in the center. And I'm using a very light hand because this is a duo fiber brush, so I don't want to make my face any more red or irritated. But just to kind of give me... God, why is this so chunky? Ugh. A little bit. I'm also bringing it down my neck just so everything blends. Same with the ears. Oh my god, I actually just got 2 new piercings, so I probably shouldn't do that, but too late now. I feel like I look like a freaking grease ball. I don't look good. I'm going to add just the slightest amount of foundation because I know it's supposed to look like skin, but this is just, this looks bad. So I'm going in with the Face Atelier. This is just a silicone-based foundation. I love it. It's very, 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 very lightweight. And I'm literally just mixing that in with my brush. Because, like, the little dots and stuff, that's fine, you know? Because, again, if my skin were actually perfect, everybody's skin has a few dots and stuff here and there. But I do want to get this to look just a little bit better. Okay, we're kind of looking better. I'm also going to bring it kind of like where my concealer would be. Because I don't want to obviously conceal the darkness under my eyes because I still want it to look like not wearing any makeup. So obviously, like right in here, this is texture. You can't get rid of texture. But the redness is peeking through just a little bit more than I would like it to. So I'm just going in with my finger with that foundation and using the warmth of my finger and just kind of tapping that out. I think I'm just going to do that along here too. That doesn't look too bad, I don't think. Let me see up close. No, okay, we're saving this. This is good. This is good. I know this defeats the entire purpose of the shininess, but on my eyelids, I'm just going to take just a very small amount of translucent powder and just put that in my crease, and then same with my under eyes because those crease for me really, really badly. So I think what we need to do, because my skin, like, yeah, it's moisturized, but I still don't feel like I'm getting that, like, glass look yet. I don't know, though. I could be going too extreme. Who knows? So I'm going to go in with, because I literally completely forgot I had this product until just right now, the CoverFX Custom Enhancer Drops. This one is in Celestial. And I'm just going to apply some wherever I would normally highlight. This is either going to be the best decision I made in this look, or it's literally going to be horrendous. Honestly, I'm just going to use my fingers. Okay, just kidding, I need a sponge. It's getting too messy. So I'm just using a dry beauty blender. Honestly, I'm too lazy to get up and get it wet. Oh god, I feel like this is turning into the 100 layers of highlighter challenge. Oh shit. Oh my gosh, already drying. That's not good. Honestly, oh my god, bro, this CoverFX stuff, I don't know if it's just old, but it does not want to blend out, but whatever. I did decide to get up and actually wet my sponge because I felt like I needed it. Again, my skin is not perfect. Like, there's still a little bit of imperfection. Honestly, I was going to go in with a powder highlighter. I don't know if I need it. This might be a little too much, but I'm going to use it anyway. So I'm using the Juvia's Place one. Okay, I'm just going to use this very, very sparingly since my face is still wet. I don't want it to just get, like, stuck. So let's start on the brow bone. Like, is that even doing anything? Probably not. Oh, I guess in the monitor, yeah. Maybe. Is it worth it? I don't know. Is it necessary? I don't know. All right, the very last thing I'm going to use is this Unicorn Heart Glow Mist by Revolution. I don't know why I'm talking when I'm spraying. I like using a lot. It's a very fine shimmer. So, and then I like to go extra on my neck since everything's so glowy up here. I want to just kind of bring it down. All right. I'm soaking wet now. All right, so we're just gonna let this dry and I will be back with the finished look. All right, and we are back. I just very lightly filled in my eyebrows because I was feeling a little naked. So yeah, here is the final finished look. I think it looks pretty in the monitor and in the mirror. I'd have to see what it looks like in the sunlight though, because it might be a little too glittery and like sparkly because of all the highlighters. Overall, I think this method is really great for those who want to have like the no makeup look or who don't want to wear a lot of heavy products on the skin. I know there were quite a few products that I use, but they're all very, very light. And I mean, the first like 3 anyways are moisturizers, serum. So those are all just getting absorbed into your skin anyways. Whereas like, you know, the shimmery product's gonna kind of just sit on top. But I think it looks really pretty. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that fun stuff. And all right, until the next one, bye.